How to factory reset an Alesis turbo electronic drum kit, whether you have the mesh, the blaze, the debut, the e-drum, or the DM Lite. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this drum kit is not responding, if the buttons are not working, if there's no sound coming out when you hit the drums, things like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Also, if you just want to, in one fell swoop, delete and wipe all your presets and everything off of here, so you can go ahead and set it up like new, we can go ahead and do that. Now, if you have a Nitro or a Nitro Max or another Alesis drum kit, it's a little bit different. I'll put an end screen of this video so you can go see that if you need it. So basically what you're going to do on this drum kit is you're going to come in and you're going to turn the drum kit off, and then you're just going to come in and press and hold simultaneously the volume down and the volume up, or the plus and minus buttons on the kit. And then when you do that, you're going to go ahead and turn it back on. Continue to hold this, and if successful, it will come up with the letters F, A, C on the screen, indicating that the factory reset has been completed. You can go ahead and set your drum kit up like new.